Some people like to pair their food with a beer. I'm gonna pair this home with a beer. Let's go inside and check it out. I'm here in the community of Prospect Glen in Santee, and so I went with one of my favorite Santee breweries, BNS Brewing, and their award-winning Revolver IPA. As soon as you open this beer, you're getting hit with the aromas from all the fresh hops. Just like when you enter this meticulously maintained community, you're getting hit with that aroma of fresh cut grass. And before you even take a sip of this beer, you're enjoying it. Just like before you walk through the door of this home, you're already enjoying that beautiful curb appeal. When you take your first sip of this beer, you realize how big and bold the flavor is, which is why it's perfect for a big house like this that comes with 4 bedrooms, including your own master suite, plus your very own at-home office. A beautiful light golden beer like this is perfect for this awesome open concept kitchen that has upgraded granite counters and upgraded cabinets and is open to the entire living and dining space. This beer is perfect during the day or in the evening, whether you want to walk over to the community pool or relax and unwind in your own private hot tub. I'm here at 8762 Glen Vista Way in Santee, and I've paired this beer with BNS's Revolver IPA. If you'd like to schedule a showing, drop a comment below or give me a call at 619-971-0791.